show you a test of really fast reflexes, Dean.
I'd love to see it.
All right. See these cards?
Yes.
I'll take one, and I'm going to drop it, and while it's in midair, with these scissors, I'm going to snip a bit off it.
Really?
Very hard to do, all right?
Midair?
You ready? Yeah, midair. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah?
You did
The
it.
two pieces.
It's amazing. Let me just
You match
check
it.
and see if it is
Oh,
from
it's
the same
card, all right?
Oh, yes, it matches exactly.
Like to have a go?
I'd love to.
Okay, there's your card, and there are the scissors.
Well, it
Good
looked
luck.
easy when you did it. I missed entirely. There must be a trick to it. How
There
did
is.
you do it?
In fact, it's a complete cheat. This is what you do. You actually cut the corner off first. Not a very big corner, but one that, when it's cut off, will slide between the blades
Oh, I
of
see.
the scissors, so no one can see it. Then when you hold the card up, you hold your finger over that cut corner. Now, of course, when you toss it in the air and snap the scissors near it, it looks for all the world as if you're cutting a bit off the card.
You must succeed.
And it must match.
That's amazing.
Well, actually, that's a bit of a swizz, but these really are magic scissors in the way they cut things.
Oh, I
And
know.
I'll show you. Watch carefully. Here's another card.
Yes.
Fold it in two.
No corners cut off?
No corners cut off, okay? Just fold it in two. And there's a thin rubber band, which I'm going to put inside there to make a sort of rubber band sandwich. Now, watch carefully. I'm going to fold that over there so the rubber band is really between those two halves of the
I
card.
can see that.
Right, now I'm going to put it on my fingers so nothing can escape.
Yes.
Right?
Right?
Now, this pair of scissors is magical. It cuts card, but it doesn't cut rubber.
I believe it
You
when I
watch.
see it.
Here we are. Under the whole shebang. And 1, 2, 3. Now, look.
That is incredible. The cardboard's separate, the rubber band is intact.
Well, have you solved the problem of the mystery card? Dean, how about you?
I think it's more the mystery of the doctored scissors.
You're not far wrong, although they're not really doctored so much as old. In fact, they're so old they've become rather sloppy. And you can see there's a gap between the two blades, so much so that I can actually poke the card in and it rattles around rather loosely there. Now, when that happens and you go to cut a fairly tight rubber band, especially a thin one around your fingers, you see what happens is it gets dragged into the gap. And it doesn't cut at all, it just gets distorted.
Stretches.
But a piece of card is too thick to get distorted, or too crisp, I should say, especially if it's doubled over. And like that, even with sloppy scissors, it will cut. So all you have to do is to put the two together. The card around the rubber band, and then if you get everything going for you, you can cut through the card, but not through the rubber band. But be warned, as many go wrong like that as work out right. So it needs a lot of practice.
I want to know.